Excited to see your OET test results? Here's how you can easily check and download them. If you took the OET on paper at a venue, follow these steps to check your results. Log into your OET account. Registration, meoet.com/login.jsp. On the dashboard, scroll to the grade column to view your results. Under the action column, click the black triangle, then choose Download Statement of Results to download your results certificate. Make sure to follow these steps on a computer for the best experience. For those who took the OET on computer at a venue or OET at home, the process is slightly different. Log into your OET account, oet-global.com. Click on the My Results tab on the left side menu to view your results. Click Download Statement of Results to get your certificate. Having trouble downloading your results? Here are a couple of quick fixes. Use a laptop or desktop computer, not a mobile device. Ensure pop-ups are enabled in your browser to allow the download. Still have questions about your OET results? Reach out to OET support or visit their official website for help. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on OET and healthcare exam preparation.